Hello, Holy Ones. Hello, hello. So, many of you know I was in Sedona, Arizona for the last week, and I had an incredible space with so many of you. Thank you for being there. And now I'm back in Florida, and you guys know, if you've been in the Discord chat spaces, that we have a hurricane in the vicinity. So we had to move our Goddess course class for the month of September and our AQE Foundations course class for the month of September. We had to move them by 1 week. We have the Acasma Planet of Light and Healing Grid this Saturday, and I really think we're going to be able to keep that on our schedule. So I know many of you have been asking about it, and so I wanted to create this video and just pop in here and tell you that we are on schedule for the Acasma Planet of Light and Healing Grid. We should have the boards off the windows by then, and we should be able to do everything. So keep that on your schedule, all right? I'm so looking forward to being this space with you. We have not missed one grid space since 2020, so we're going to get that grid in on this Saturday. Thank you for remembering who you are, and thank you for allowing your flow. Yane ya kao kokoa ha pane ya tao ho aye. Thank you, Holy Ones, and thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the prayers, the blessings on my home, my homes. I live on land with my family, so we have 3 homes on the acres of land we have, and you guys have been covering them with your love, and we can feel it. We can feel it. We feel so safe, and we feel so loved. So thank you to each and every one of you for sending your incredible, blessed messages and holding us in the highest light. I will share more info in the Discord chat spaces, the Acasma Pods of Light, the Acasma Connections chat, the Acasma Goddess chat. I will give you guys updates as the storm passes. So we will bless all that are in any connective path of this space, and we are grateful to be able to do so. We send love to all. Thank you, Holy Ones. Thank you.